A few months ago, I picked up a Mamiya 250mm f6.3 lens for my Mamiya C330, and you can see my first impressions video here. However, the lens had a little haze on one of the inside elements and it reduced the contrast of the photos. I sent the lens for cleaning, and now that I look at it, it seems that the haze is properly cleaned. I took the lens for a photo walk and shot a roll of Kodak Gold with it, and here's the results. For my first couple of shots, I got a photo of these berries. Close focus, and to me it looks like the contrast has no issues and it looks nice and sharp. Then this old BMW caught my eye, and here's how it looks like in the photo. Maybe the colors are on the warmer side, but I think it's the Kodak Gold colors. And then a shot of this street lamp, and again the contrast and sharpness are good, but maybe the colors are a little warm. Then here I took a photo of these backlit power lines, and to me it looks really good. Then I quickly shot this stop sign with the guy passing by, and you can see that the sunlight is coming from behind the stop sign, but I think the lens handled it very well. And here another power line shot, this time not much of warm colors. And then here I just wanted to focus on something at infinity, and I found this Canada flag, and yeah, it looks nice and sharp. Then I tried to isolate this tree, but I had to stop down to f11, and yeah, it's not really isolated from the background. And here I saw this black crow and quickly focused and took this shot. I like it, but it seems that I focus on the grass, but at least the bird is kind of isolated from the background. Then here I found this house with some fall decorations and took this shot. It was on the shadow side of the street, so I used my light meter app and took a reading for it. And I think the colors look okay. And here is my last shot from this block of homes on the other side of the trail. I think this photo shows the potential of a long focal length to get a different view of the scene in front of you. Now with this test roll, I think the lens is improved a lot and it's ready to be used for more serious photos. So that's it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also feel free to follow me on Instagram and X, also known as Twitter.